see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
It's raining. That's why you have to put sunscreen. Guys, hindi ako nakatulog. Parang paidlip-idlip lang. Si Sam, an hour? You sleep an hour? Sleep? Yeah, an hour si Sam. Si Jan nakatulog pa. Putol-putol din. Si Holly hanggang ngayon tulog pa. Kaya 1.5 hour pa bago kami mag-land. Sakit na ng ulo ko kasi wala talagang maayos na kahit man lang sleep. Si Holly, ayun. Ayan si Holly. Ayan si Holly, tulog pa din. Kaya nagpaalam siya sa akin kung pwedeng ka-seatmate niya ngayon si Daddy kasi lagi raw kami magka-seatmate sa plane. Ito si Kuya. Hinabad na ni Kuya yung kanyang practice. Naka-shirt na yan si Kuya. Number 1 yung carousel namin. Yung una dito. Tapos nakuha na namin yung dalawa. Kulang na lang ng isa. Siguro mga ano na tayo dito? Mga 12 to 15 minutes na kami naghihintay. Isa na lang yung kulang. Dito kayo mismo, ayan o. Kung saan inuhulog yung luggages. Nakita na namin yung aming isa pang luggage. Nag-stop lang kasi traffic na. Ayan yung amin. Ayan. That's us. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go. Mayroon na sa aming pipick up. Na-organize na yun. Si Kuya, hawak niya yung surname namin. Hawak niya yung surname namin. Who's that?
That's Dino's driver.
Ah, Dino. Okay. Kasi nauna yung mga ibang friends namin dito, so eto yung driver ni Dino. Oh no, not driver. Nag-pick up din sa kanila dito.
It's bloody cold in Australia, right? Oh, kangaroo! Oh, I think the kid is very excited just with the guy. Or the wrong guy. Not the wrong guy, right?
So Brock
Yes.
doesn't know we're here.
Really?
Oh, he's going to be excited.
Yeah, rock like this.
Oh, yeah.
Si Sakayo yung panghubarin yung jump.
So well now.
The big one or
Ito yung, ayan yung water bomb. Gustong-gusto dyan ng mga bata. Malapit na tayo. And we're
Welcome
here.
to second home.
Bilis lang. Bilis lang. Kinukwento ni Jen na sinurprise namin yung mga bata. Nakapag-check-in na pala kami. Hinihintay na lang namin na daling kami sa room namin. Guys, nakabihis na kami ng pang-summer. Binuksan namin yung luggage namin dun sa reception. Kasi diba hindi pa ready yung aming room. Kasi alauna pa, 11 pa lang. Gawa?
Keep watching it. We're looking at the
Yeah, I know that. Sinusundan kasi kami nun. Yung parang Buddha dun na frame. Pag tiningnan mo siya, lumilingon. So anyway, nagbihis kami sa sa toilet doon kasi nga gustong-gusto ng mga bata mag-swimming at kumain doon sa beachfront. Kasi nandun yung mga kasama namin at mag-say hi din. Kasi kung hihintayin namin, masasayang yung 2 oras. Kaya ayan sila. Ay, namiss ko tong dinadaanan. Oo. Massage.
Come on.
Lala!
Apa kabar?
Hi! Hi, Lala! Siya, yan yung taga-massage namin.
Already it's good.
And,
Not yet.
nandito. Nandito rin sila Joe. Sila Joe, last minute sila nag-book. And ano lang sila dito, 7 days lang sila dito. Uwi sila Wednesday. Mabilisan lang sila. Kasi nga may mga busy ba? May work. Hello po. Hi, hello po. Hi. Tinagalog. I said hello po sa akin. And si Saki. Naka-ano na siya, pang swimming. Say, welcome to
Bali.
Not cans?
Oh, let's get corn.
Not cans? Not cans? Huh? Oh, don't throw that. Don't throw. Magbabato siya ng... Ito. Kanin may nadaanan kaming bago. Mamay ipakita ko sa inyo. Ayan yung Pantai Kuta sa Dat Kuta. O, diba? Ayan, mga bago na. Wala na yung parang... Ano ba? Yung parang... Yung barong-barong na mga tindahan. Yung parang ganon. Ano na siya, oh. They don't have the... You know, the jersey shop? Here? Hindi alam ng friends nila na nandito sila.
Grab it.
Hindi niya alam na nandito rin kami. Something?
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Oh, you're so sexy. Ang sexy na ni Sophie. Dalaga na siya. Gonna go swim? Just put it here, Bobby. Put your hat here.
Can I please have
Hi, Holly. Now, just
Order tayo ng pagkain, guys. Nag-order na ako ng coconut water.
well, be careful because it's
Hi. What are you having, honey?
yeah. Just hang around.
Magnasi goreng ako. Seafood.
There. Side now.
Ayun na pala sila, oh. Nagbubugi board na. And, my God! Careful, Holly! Where's the boys? Oh, sak! And, ano na pala, guys, sobrang, tumaas na yung tubig. He is white. He is white. Before, yung tumatambay kami hanggang doon. Ngayon, tingnan nyo na, ang taas na ng buhangin. Tapos wala na yung coconut water dito. Ay, coconut trees, kung maalala nyo before. Ngayon, tingnan nyo na, oh. Palapit ng palapit sa hotel yung tindahan ni Sam. Ang taas ng waves. Ang lalaki ba? Scope na siya. And si Holly tsaka si Sophie, lumipat na dun sa pool kasi ang laki ng mga waves. Good, ha?
I feel better when I got food.
Yeah, gutom na to eh. Wala pa kaming kain. Yung last kain namin sa airport. Anong oras yun? Yeah, basta sa airport bago kami mag-fly. Naghihintay yung si Kuya ng pagkain niya. Si Sak nandun pa yun sa tubig. Nasa dagat pa. And, yeah, yes, I will make sure. And, ayan, may inalok kayo dyan na. And, ayan, may inalok kayo dyan na crab. Sabi namin, no? Not yet. Oh, saan? Yeah, meron pala ako ditong buko juice and na-miss ko tong peanuts ni Sam. Ang sarap ng peanuts dito. Sarap. Tapos, ang dami nitong garlic. Naubos ko na. Lakas ng alon. Si Kuya bumalik doon kasi wala pa yung food. Isak ang dami yun, no? Ayan na si Sam. Gutom na ako kaya. Ang lalaki ng alon. Yan. Thank you. Dito na. Finally. Ito yung nasi goreng seafood. Babe, is this mine? With, sabi ko seafood. In order ni Jan, chicken. Mensura nyo.
Yeah, well, he just said it's nice, so yeah, that's it. So it's 3:30.
Someone was telling me about it last night.
Para tayo nag-workout. Bigat ng coconut. How are you, the pizza? The pizza. Makain nito. What, Kuya? What do you have, Kuya? Spaghetti kay Kuya. Favorite niya yung spaghetti. Kahit saan. What's yours? Having fish? Hawaiian. Kay Jan Clubhouse. What did you have, Kylie? What did you have? Breakfast? You had big breakfast? Anong oras? 12:24 na, guys. Ayan, 12:24. Dessert na si Kuya. Tapos, it was good. Masarap yung ice. May tira pa yun ng konti. Kunti na lang na rice. Nabusog na ako. Siya na lang ang hindi pa kumakain. Bumili kasi sila ng coffee ni Kylie. What? Where? Ah! I didn't see the squirrel. No, it's friendly, Baba.
Friendly, what? Nice, bud.
Why? You don't like it? Ayaw niya daw. Bumalik na yung mga bata. Bukibard ulit sila. Yan ako. Kumakain tayo ng almond. Almond, Magnum. May almond. Nakabalik na pala kayo dito sa hotel. Kasi kanina, di ba? Hindi pa ready. Si Holly, iniwan namin muna doon. Kasi gusto niya magpaiwan. Kasi nandun si Sophie. At saka yung friend niya, yung ka-dance mate niya, si Maya. Nandun din. So, balikan namin siya mamaya. Ilagay lang muna namin yung luggage sa room. Okay. So, isunod na lang daw yung luggages namin sa room. Ihatid. Eto family room, etong area to. Where? 122 before, I think. Yeah, 122, right? Yeah, last time, 2024. I don't think so. We will see. Is it the same?
No, actually we're on that side. We used to walk through the garden.
Yeah, that's. Mas maganda yung pinakauna namin kasi may garden kaming nakikita.
Well, same thing, but different angle.
And kumuha na rin kaming beach towel. Yeah, we still have.
Yeah, I want me.
What? Yeah, we have the little garden. Yeah, it's alright. I like it. In the morning. So, yan yung bed. Si Holly, si Kuya, si Zach. Kami ni Jan. Oh, that's nice. Oh, Zach, you didn't close the door. Wait, huh? Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, just find out again in a minute.
Oh, wala pa yung luggage. Oh my God. It's not cold.
Gotta put the cane.
Yeah, put the card key. Ito pala yung OOTD natin, guys. Starfish.
It's not even on that floor, though.
Yeah.
There should be.
Yeah. Okay, mag-upload na ako ng vlog. Wala nandun sa ano ko, sa hand carry. Binigay lang sa amin yung important na mga bags namin. Yung kung nasan yung passport. Kasi nilagay nila sa safety. Yung luggage. So lang magdadala dito. Office ko for 12 days. I will put my laptop here. Diyan, ayaw niya ipalabas yung kanyang damit sa luggage. Ganyan lang daw. Tapos ilagay niya sa top. Dito ba? Kasi ko hindi. Ang kalat tingnan. Ako nang bahala. Sabi niya, asikasuhin ko na lang daw yung akin. Ako nang bahala doon maglagay sa cabin. Sabi ko hindi. Kasi gusto ko yung luggage na katago. Ayun.
Are you hiding stuff?
Come on.
Yeah. It's not cold, though.
It's not cold, it's just hot. It's not hot.
No, we don't want hot because really, when we're coming on the shower, we're going to want a hot shower. But, you know.
Put on the top, Kuya, please.
Yeah, you've got on the top.
So how do I open this?
I'm blind.
That's okay. We see each other.
This one doesn't belong here.
Well, the
Bro, my jumper fits one bag.
Okay, oh, there's more there.
yeah, there's your traffic, right?
Yeah. No, I'd write my snot on it.
Well, that's great, Ronnie.
Look at it. It's red.
No, you've been on the sun.
Bye.
What?
Well,
That's with safety, right?
Holly.
This is the
Here,
That one's mine.
this one's your actual
Mine.
plug-in.
What's this one?
That's yours. That's your plug-in.
No, this is my plug-in. The double.
Mum, where's your
That's-
portable?
No, that's yours.
Mine was a
No.
good plug-in.
Mum, where's your
This
portable?
is yours, babe. Because mine is this always in the. No.
But that's not being cord.
Oh yeah, where's
Yeah,
mine?
this is my cord.
Why would it have been there? Because I put my whole thing in there. Why is it off?
This
Oh,
one
this
ain't
is
yours.
yours
This
then.
one's not yours.
This
That's
is
mine.
mine.
This one's mine.
Okay.
Does that fit in your phone?
Here.
Yeah, yes.
Where plug mine?
Ito yung
There's
mga
no
dala namin
airport,
ng
Megan.
My mum's
medicine.
got the PowerPoint adapters.
Yeah, I have two
Load them
adapters.
there to actually get going.
Jack,
Where's
can
your adapters?
Jack, can you grab your stuff here?
Sa put this one, Teddy Chris. Now,
Fuck, it's hot.
yeah, the aircon is not really
Yeah,
going.
so it just don't turn on, but that's why.
Grab what you're wearing. stuff.
Bag, your shoes here, bag.
Well, actually, no, watch out, watch out.
I'll put your shorts here.
I should do this. Yeah, it wasn't on when we come in here, babe.
Huh?
It wasn't on when we come in here. Now it's on, I turned it off.
Look, Dad, first ever hat. Look at the egg. It hurts.
Oh, si Kuya. Naglaro sila ni Holly dun sa pool.
Dad, look,
And
look
ewan
at
ko
it
anong
now.
ginawa niya. Nakatama yung ulo niya sa kids pool. Naglalaro sila ng bola. So what were you trying? Getting the ball?
No, I was trying to kick it.
Kick it and then why you hit your head?
I don't know.
Hindi niya raw alam. Basta na lang daw
Mum,
nangyari.
where's your adapters?
Here. No, I have another one. What's this?
Zach, you're
Kuya,
on the top.
Your,
Oh, they're mine. That's.
your AirPods there.
Wait, it's an Australian adapter.
No. Just wait, sir. Is this dirty?
I'm in the shower.
Kuya, is this, have you worn it?
That's not mine.
Did that, yeah, that is dirty.
That isn't.
Put in the laundry.
Zach, you're on top.
This one, did you wear this t-shirt?
Yes.
Take Dad, I just took yours off and I'll put yours on here. Because Dad's like.
Nagdala si Jen na. Sak, no,
What
Sak.
are you doing?
Sak, don't.
So we can charge 2 phones?
Oh yeah, it's alright, Kuya.
Why does it matter?
Alright, it's
We'll
alright.
still be the same speed.
Nagdala sila na.
Why, you angry?
Ano, clothes. Kasi
Zach,
magbabago
you're on
yung
top,
mga
huh?
kasama ko.
Okay. You said it like 100 times.
What's going on YouTube?
I'm in the shower.
Alright, go Kuya.
Good boy. No, it wasn't the bed going that way.
Mum, turn it off real quick.
We have different
Camera for
angle.
I need to take my shorts off.
Get towel, Yanni.
No.
It's alright, I'm just gonna cut it. Bottom one.
Huh?
Doon na lang kay Holly sa kabila. Doon sa kanya, sa cabinet. And yung ginawa ko sa damit ni Holly, pinag-prepare ko na para madali lang sa kanya. Sa shirt na to may laman ng ano.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
Etong mga shorts,
1, 2, 1.
mga nabili ko to sa Cotton On na hindi niya pa nagamit nung
Go check
nung
that.
pagdating namin galing Pinas. Nag-shopping ako ng
Wait.
mga shorts at saka top ni Holly. Ayan. So,
Yep, what is it?
ready to
Username 121.
go na yan kay
Yeah.
Holly girl.
Password Howard. Lowercase. Yeah. Oh, babe.
Ayan, ayan niya.
I'm gonna have to soften this bit up, babe. Fuck, I don't know how, but
inano ko na siya, pinarpair ko na. Siya nagpili. Siya nag-match. Mix and match, ayan. And ayan. Cotton na, may mga tag pa yan, no? Hindi ko na linaban yung mga shorts. Hindi naman sila, I know, sasabihin nyo, dapat nilalaban. Yung iba, oo, pero eto hindi. Okay, lagay ko ito.
Bloody hell.
And may dala rin siyang dresses.
Can I just tell Mitch?
Hey, Zach.
No, Zachary.
What?
Zach,
Yeah.
can I get Foxtel on my phone up here? I won't be able to, so I got, what if I can? My Foxtel.
Halos dresses talaga dala ko. Mga dress.
So,
They're not the problem.
Ihang ko na lang to doon.
yeah, they're right.
Wait, look, right? I'm good at the whips.
Why'd you bring all your aprons? Not cooking. They dresses. Oh.
Aprons daw.
Wait, look.
Nah, I'm not sure.
Nah, give me a look.
Nah.
I like it too.
Tinawag ni Jan yung mga dresses ko na aprons.
Pull it up.
Maybe.
Pull it up.
Nah.
TJ, I didn't got a tank top on. Everyone. Where that?
More dresses. Kaya nagkasya din yung damit namin ni Oli sa isang luggage. Kasi yung mga dresses ko, mga lightweight lang to.
Don't. You're on the top.
Cute.
How many times does he want to say? If you say it one more, I'm so
And eto same as nung blue na pinakita ko sa inyo. But this one is white.
No, they don't.
Cute niya.
I mean, Dad, a bit of bruise like along here.
Look, it's red there.
So where are we going, Dad?
Oi, Matt, oi. Imagine not getting stung by a jellyfish.
Wow. Eto ang cute nito. Ayan. Crochet siya. Then, this one. Ayan, mali ko.
Zach.
I was just joking. Why would I do that?
This,
You know, we should get a BB gun.
No.
What?
and this.
What are you doing, baby?
Eto, ano naman to? Cover up.
What?
I know. But we don't get one.
No, shoot. Didn't you shoot the neighbour?
And this one.
What?
Apparently you shot the neighbour.
Cover up.
Oh yeah, in the Philippines.
That's
So-
so hot. Above it.
For swimsuit
You told-
man.
Dad
Yung
told me
white
so.
swimsuit, and then this. So, ito yung blue and white. And then, ito yung white. Pero yung style, iba lang yung print. And then, ito yung mga colorful summer dresses. Oh, not dress. Mini. Mini. Ayan. So, tamang-tama sa weather dito. And ito yung ating mga, pag naka-swimsuit tayo, ito yung ating pang cover up. Pag nag-swimming tayo.
No, wait till this stop.
Yes, baka mag-swimming ako this time.
Oh.
Nag-swimming naman ako, pero hindi yung araw-araw.
Yes, you got good colours on it. Get one.
Okay, sama ko na lang dito. Ang ganda nitong yellow.
So what are we doing now? That we just saying?
It's only 3:33 though.
Is it? Really?
So, ang ginawa ko, sinabi ko lang siya dito sa hook. Kasi pag dito, mahuhulog siya kasi madulas tong mga cloth niya. Kasi very light lang talaga. So, pag pinagsama-sama mo, mabigat. So, ayan na yung ating outfit for this trip. Ayan kay Holly. Ito yung mga shorts, dresses, and PJs, and swimsuit. Mayroon din dyan si Holly.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Ay, meron pa pala
Mom,
kami.
I'm getting this cologne.
What ko lang? Ayan, nagdala akong...
Where from?
Oh,
ano to,
Rocker
tube.
Murphy. Rocker 3.
Yeah, I want to get some.
And, nagdala pala akong cover-ups pa. More
What one?
cover-ups.
What one?
Dinala ko lang. Hindi ko alam kung masusot ko pa ba. So, eto dito na lang ito kasi wala nang hanger. Wala naman itong laman.
Wait, Mitch is gonna know we're here.
Why?
Don't post anything.
No, because our maps are on.
Then turn it off.
Turn it
Oh,
off.
have it on for you.
Turn it off. Kasi may isa pa kaming friends na family
Ano na
friends
yan,
na
Who
darating
cares?
when they're coming.
Yeah.
When they're coming?
Who cares now?
Huh?
Sunday.
Sunday. They're coming Sunday. So, hindi rin nila alam. Si Rob na ano na shock. Na hindi,
Ay, get off the
hindi niya rin
phone.
alam kasi. So, yung mga parents, hindi talaga sinabi sa mga bata na
Barely on mine.
Wait, Dad.
kung sino sasama sa trip na to.
Oh, your mum got my 360 on film.
And, nagdala ako ng Lactose sunscreen. At saka yung, ano to, yung isa, yung glow milk. Ayan. Then, Scientific na
Internet's not that
sunscreen.
good.
What's that? Okay. Ating mga julahas. Nagdala.
Jack.
Ayan. Meron akong, para siyang ano, diaries. Ayan. Minsan yung mga accessories. And put this one in the safety, please.
Time, so